show you guys a new gun that I bought. Still haven't had a chance to really take it out of the box, put it together. And it's an AR-15, and I was looking for one that I don't have to spend an arm and a leg on. And my friend took me over to his buddy that sells guns, and he had this one. It's DPMS Panther Arms, and this is definitely not the gun for you guys that have got a lot of money. I was looking for a gun that wouldn't have to, spend a ton of money, and I spent right at $500 on this. It came with a rebate that I could send in, which actually put me under 500. But I decided to do it because it's actually tighter than some of the Rugers that I've shot before. So right here in this seam right here, the Ruger I shot is loose. It has some play right there, and then this thing is loose. And I did not like that. This one's actually tight. This one's tight. This is almost completely tight. This has a little play right here because this piece here, is adjustable. So that's got a little slop there, but your $3,000 gun is not going to have slop like that. But I'm anxious, to give this thing a try. If it shoots good, I'm going to be tickled pink with what I paid for it. This was a gun show gun. They were asking $650. But I think I got a good deal on it. Let's see what's in here. I think this is the clip. Yep, this is a 30. It's a 30. And then they have a gun lock. And he was gonna send me a red dot for that as well that came along with this. This is just some lubricant and the manual. So yeah, there it is. Ready to put a scope on this thing. I think I'm gonna put a Vortex scope on here just because of the warranty. It's pretty light. Pretty stoked. Some of these have iron sight right here that sticks way up. Then you have to cut that off when you put your scope because it comes in your line of sight. This one doesn't have that, so that's cool. I don't have to cut anything. I'll let you guys know once I get it set up how it shoots. If it shoots sweet, why, that was a good buy.